All right. What's good, y'all? Let me correct myself. YouTube, what's good, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Happy Monday. How you guys doing? Welcome to the stream. All right. Check in. See what we have on so far. Got one viewer so far. Welcome to the channel, y'all. It's another week, another slew of MindStudio updates. Like I said last week, man, if you guys haven't noticed, seems like UAI MindStudio, they make updates regularly. Every time I log into the platform, it's been improved in some way. So as I was preparing for this stream, I noticed there was a bunch of other updates. I'm like, wow, the interface looks a bit different from a user standpoint. So, I'm excited to get into building another AI today with the new and improved MindStudio. Okay. And I can likely say that every week. Oliver, what is good? It's great to see you, man. Hope all is well. Parker, great to see you. George, it is great to see you. Let me just double check. I am on my own channel, right? I believe I am, right? I'm not on ECAP's channel. George, look, if you on my channel, let me just double check. Cause that would be crazy if I streamed to the wrong channel. Give me a second, y'all. Let me just make sure. Just let me know. Let me know so I can avoid having a panic attack. On my own channel. There I am. I just had to double check. Cool. Just wanted to make sure. All right. Ooh, crisis averted. Great to see you, George. Great to see you. All right, y'all. We're going to get into building an AI this week. So, as you may or may not know, I'm a graphic designer by trade. That's my main business. That's my bread and butter. And several times over the past week, I've been asked to help come up with a tagline. A couple clients of mine asked me for that. And then last week on Ecamm's channel, on my weekly show, Marshall Creates with Ecamm, we were working on coming up with a tagline for Marcus Schaub's YouTube channel. So I thought in that moment, I was like, that would be a good idea for an AI using UAI. It's crazy. Once you start using it, you when you run into situations that an AI app could be useful, you're like, I can go build that, with no code using MindStudio. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. So I'm excited about that. Cool. We are on my channel. Good. Just wanted to make sure. In Switzerland. Oh wow, that is dope. Kelly, you gonna meet up with Kelly in Switzerland? Wow, that is amazing. That's amazing. Look, if I'm ever in Switzerland, I definitely gotta hit you up. We definitely got to connect. Cool, guys. So we're going to get into it. What I'm going to do is share my screen. Okay, I'm going to share my screen, and then we're going to build an AI. So when I say an AI, if you guys are new, it's basically short for an AI app or an AI tool, but we just say build an AI. All right, so that's essentially what we're going to be doing today. All right, so let me share my screen real quick, and we'll jump into it. Find my scenes. All right. Can you guys see this okay? Let me know. So this is youai.ai. If you want to head on over there at any point, you can click the link in the description. It is youai.ai. So I'm already logged in here. So I'm going to go to my AIs. So this is my first AI that I built a few weeks ago. And also remixed it in order to work on showing what I showed last week. Which is, embedding. I think that was last week. And I think so. But now I'm going to create a new one. All right. So before I remixed someone else's AI to create my graphic design niche buster. But this time I'm going to be creating it from scratch. And we're at 306 Eastern time. Now, let's see how fast we can get this thing created. All right. I have prepared in advance just so I'm not fishing for questions and prompts that I want to ask. So I'm a bit more prepared. So yeah, let's see how fast we can get this AI created. So the goal is to for users to be able to use this AI to create or generate taglines for their business, or let's say it's a YouTube channel, their personal brand, their products or services, just like a tagline, a slogan, a one-liner, an impact statement, you name it. That's essentially what we're going to build. Okay, so I'm going to click this button that says New AI, and I can start from one of these templates. I can start from blank or one of these templates, but I'm going to select this content generator template. Then it'll bring me to this screen. But don't be intimidated about what you see, because I'm going to do this with absolutely zero code. All right. So the first thing that I want to do is use this this left hand panel here, and I'm going to create my prompts, these personalization prompts. So when people use my AI, they will be asked a series of questions, which we call the personalization prompts, and that will help the AI to generate an output that's most optimal for what they're looking for. All right, so I have my questions. So I'm going to pull up my questions here, and we're going to go ahead and add them in. This will be really easy, y'all. This will be really easy because most of my questions, they're just text. They're just text questions. So I'm going to click add new prompt. And as you can see, we have these different prompt types: long text, short text, text choice, image choice, rating, date, and display. I think this one's a new one. But most of these are going to be either long or short text. I will have a couple of rating choices, but other than that, they'll be pretty straightforward. So the first question I'm going to ask is, what do you need a slogan or tagline for? You know what? This can actually be a text choice. This can be a text choice. Let me see how many options. Yeah, so let's make this one a text choice. So what do you need a tagline or slogan for? Okay. The options are going to be, let's do personal brand. I'll do business. And I'm just going to put in parentheses product or service. And let's do a YouTube channel. And let's go ahead and do other. But I don't know if that'll help. So we're just going to put it on here anyway. All right. Pick one or any amount. It's interesting. The brand, business, product, service, YouTube channel. Yeah, we'll just do pick one for now. Okay. So I'll do save and start new to go on to my next question. And it's going to be, what is the name of the person, channel, or business you'd like to get a tagline for? Okay. So I'll put that here. And this will be short text. All right. That'll be it for this one. Save and start new. The next question will be long text prompt type. It's, what is the core message or value you want your tagline to convey? All right. So I'm going to take these numbers off. Do you need the rest of your desktop? Else full screen would be nice for my old man's eyes. Rest of your desktop? Hold on. So you want me to all right, let me do that. I just like to be able to escape quickly. Let me know if this helps. Let me know if this helps. And I also could change the resolution, but I'll just keep it like this for now. This should be good. This should be good for most folks. You know what? Let's change the resolution of this and see if that helps real quick. We want to make sure you're able to see it, right? All right, so for the LG display, largest, oh, it's as large as it can get. Oliver, this is as large as it can get, man. I'm sorry. Hopefully you can see this. Let me know, my brother. Let me know. All right. So let me open my notes back up. Okay. So what's the core message or value you want your tagline to convey? Long text. That's cool. Save and start new. What sets your business apart from your competitors? This can be long text as well. And you can also add images, but I'm not going to add any images for these. I could always come back and do that. I believe I can. I know before when I created my AI, you can edit these once they were done. So, okay, and this one will be, who is your target audience? You know, let's say briefly describe your target audience. How about that? Audience, or ideal customers. All right, for long text, I'm good with that. How's my old house? Better now, stream 4K. Gotcha. Cool. Okay, so now we're gonna describe the brand's personality. So this will be a long text as well, just in case people get long-winded. Okay, save and start new. And what are the key benefits or features of your products and services? We'll do this as long text. Okay. What problem does your business solve for your customers? What emotions or feelings do you want your tagline to evoke? All right. This one is, are there any specific industry keywords you'd like to incorporate? This one is, do you have any mission or vision statements that could inspire your tagline? So all of these are pretty much long text, just because I want people to be able to just share as much as possible. So this one is going to be a different prompt type. We're going to do a rating here. Okay. I'm going to say, what is the desired length of your tagline? Okay. So then for the left label, we're pretty much going to be on a scale. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to do short and snappy. And on the right-hand side, I want it to be longer and more descriptive, if I can fit all of that. Ooh, by the skin of my teeth. There's this character limit right here. Longer and more descriptive. Okay. So they can select on this scale. Save and start new. Okay, this will be, I guess, long text. All right. This is, are there any taglines or slogans from other businesses that you admire or find inspiring? See, we got some more viewers on here. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad to have you. Anybody from my email list? Let me know. Let me know in the comments if you showed up from the email list. Okay, so they can add that here. Save and start new. And then this is going to be a, should I do a scale? I'm thinking about doing a scale for this or text choice. Yeah, because there can be something in the middle. So that's, you know what? Delete this. I'm going to do the rating scale again. So would you prefer a tagline that's more formal and serious, or witty and playful? Okay. Witty and playful. Okay. Save. And that's it. So I have all my questions in here. Okay. So that's step one. All right. So now we need to add, pretty much tell the AI what we want it to do. Okay. So, and it gives you instructions. It even links to a tutorial as well. That's why I like MindStudio, because they make it easy for not only actual developers and people who are familiar with, development environments and coding and things like that. They make it easy for them, and they make it easy for us, those of us who don't code and don't have an interest in that at all, right? But we still want to create AIs for people to use, whether it's ourselves or our clients, right? So for my use case, my previous AI was for other designers who I coach and mentor, who are having who are struggling to find their most profitable niche, right? Or niche. And this one I'll be able to use for my clients, or clients will be able to use. And, I'm going to make this free, so they'll be able to use this. So, and I even searched for in the library that shows all the AIs on UAI, and I didn't see anything like this already. So I was like, this is the perfect opportunity. That's why, if you guys haven't done so already, you should head over to UAI using the link in the description and go ahead and sign up now, because it's still relatively new. It's only a couple months old, even though there are a few thousand AIs on there now, and more are being added every day. New features are being added every day. But it's still relatively new, where you can create your AI and you can even start charging for it. Let's say if it's a monthly subscription of $5-10 a month. And my first AI already have about 70, 80 users already. So, if you were charging for your AI, you can start to build some recurring revenue, which I'm all for. And if you're in my group, my Good to Go Pro membership, the free group, or if you just heard me speak about the business of graphic design, you know how important having recurring revenue is, especially today. We're closing out 2023, y'all heading into 2024. I know y'all don't need a whole speech, but recurring revenue trumps all, okay? As you know, as designers and service-based businesses, revenue can go up and down. It's feast or famine. A lot of times it's famine. You know what I mean? Especially if you're an entrepreneur. So having some type of consistent, predictable, recurring revenue is a must-have these days, y'all. Not only for to pay your bills, right, but for your mental health. That's all I'm gonna say, because I've been on that other side where it's like, man, where's this next project gonna come from? All right, so UAI makes it simple to go ahead and build these AIs that are useful for folks. Because the factor of the matter is this, y'all, and I'm gonna get off my soapbox. Yeah, you can use ChatGPT to get some of these answers, but they're not gonna be as effective as creating something like this that your users will use. They don't have to be these prompt engineers. Like, they don't have to know exactly what to answer or what to feed into ChatGPT to get the most optimal output, because you've already asked it, right? So it's like, oh wow, how did you know all of this to ask? Like, the people who are looking to come up with a tagline, they don't realize, okay, it's going to take about 14 different prompts in order to get the most optimal output, right? They're not going to sit there and try to figure that piece out. That's where you come in and say, look, I've already figured it out for you. Just answer these questions and you'll get your tagline. So, and we're going to test this thing out too, y'all. All right, I'm off my soapbox. Let me get back on track. So we added the personalization prompts on the left-hand side. Now we want to tell the AI exactly what to do. All right. So it says this assistant is an insert content type here. So I'm just going to change this to tagline generator. Okay. So I'm going to highlight it to do change all occurrences. And I'll just do tagline generator. So you can see it changed to here, here, and here. Okay, tagline generator assists human in generating tagline. I'm gonna do taglines for their business. Okay, human will ask the assistant to generate tagline. This is fine. I'll leave that. Tone and style. I'm gonna delete this because I don't really need this. This isn't relevant to my specific use case. So now I'm going to just give it some more context. So I'm gonna do this and do let me see. The user, so the user, human is all the same, but the beautiful thing about it is the AI knows that, right? So I can use it interchangeably, so I don't have to get very like specific. So say the users preferences for generating their tagline are as follows. And I'm going to put in here that we want it to be based on the context. Okay. And then now we're going to work on the context. So now we'll do important details about the human's preferences. And I'm basing this off of the last AI that I built. Preferences. And then we're going to add everything down here for the context. So we're just going to go line by line. Okay. So we'll do, I have it here. So I'm just going to type them out. The user would like a tagline for this type of brand. Okay. So this is going to be for the first one. Like, what do you need a tagline or slogan for? Personal brand, service, YouTube channel, etc. So this is what I just created is a variable. So this basically will instruct the AI on exactly what to do with this information that is being fed by the user. Okay. I'm gonna capitalize this. I don't know if it matters or not, but all right. User would like a tagline. Oops. For this name. All right. So that's for the second one. What's the name of your person, channel, business? Yep, that works. Now you can edit them, y'all. Look at God. When I built it the first time, you couldn't edit the prompts, and now you can. See, that's why I said they're always making improvements. They're always making improvements. It reminds me of Wix. Shout out to Wix. Y'all know I use Wix. I love Wix. They always making improvements. They always making updates. Even features that don't exist, you can vote for them, and they usually implement them in some form or fashion. So this reminds me of that. So, and they do it quick too. It's crazy. All right. So the third one is going to be the user would prefer a tagline that, dang, I keep putting the the E before the N, that conveys this core message. So that's for the third one. What's the core message? The next one, what sets your business apart from its competitors? We're going to do this. Oops. The thing is, like, even with the spelling errors, it knows what I'm trying to say. This is the user's differentiator. And let's put that in the brackets. User differentiator. So that's going to be what sets your business apart from its competitors. So I just want to give it some context. Right? That's why it's called context, right? I just want to train it, teach it, so it knows what's going on. So the next one we're going to do is describe your target audience or ideal customers. So we'll do the user would like a tagline that appeals to this target audience. So then it'll pretty much read this context. It's going to search for audience and then get the information from whatever they answer. You see what I'm saying? At least that's my understanding of it. Okay. User would like a tag. Let's just put prefer a tagline that has this tone and style. The reason I'm doing both is because we have the tone here, but then down here it says, would you prefer a tagline that's more formal, serious, or witty and playful? So this, I'm considering this like the style or whatever. It's technically like the tone as well, but I just don't want to be redundant with my my personalization with my instructions. So I put them both here. Okay. So I won't need need anything for right here. So the next one, what are the key benefits or features? So these are the benefits of the user's brand. All right. Next, what problems does your business solve for customers? We'll do these are the problems, put those in the brackets. of the user's brand. I don't really need this at this point. It's redundant. Okay. Next, what emotions or feelings do you want your tagline to evoke? So the user wishes the tagline to convey one or more of these emotions. All right. User wishes to incorporate. Okay, so the next one is, are there any specific industry keywords you'd like to incorporate? So the user wishes to incorporate keywords into one or more of the outputs. All right, because it's not necessarily required in my opinion. All right, the next one is, do you have any mission or vision statements that could inspire your tagline? And we'll do, the tagline should be inspired by this mission. If applicable. Almost done, y'all. Okay. What's the desired length of your tagline? The user would like a tagline of this length. Last question. Are there any taglines or slogans from other businesses that you admire or find inspiring? So the user would like to use these taglines as inspiration. All right. So now we've given it the context. So all of this is the context. All right. Okay. So let me check in with the fam just in case anybody. Can aspiring graphic designers? Yeah, absolutely. Yep. So our group is goodtogoat.com is good, the number 2, and then GOAT.com. Yeah, you can. We do prefer that you already be in the mix because I don't really do tutorials. I will be doing more tutorials on this channel, but it's not like how to design. It's more of like the business of graphic design. How to find high paying clients, how to niche down, how to set up your back end and things like that. So if you're starting out, you definitely could benefit from it. But just keep in mind, like I don't do like design tutorials and stuff inside of it. Even though I do have videos where I show behind the scenes of me designing sometimes, but that's not the focus of the group because I know a lot of designers who are just beasts at what they do. They're amazing. They have all the talent in the world, but they're not making any money. They're not able to feed their families. So my mission is to help those types of designers be able to make a great living where they're at least able to do this full time. Right. So that's my mission when it comes to the group. So, but definitely, we love to have you. All right. Love to have you. Okay, so now let me check my notes. We still need to add a bit more context. So now we need to let the AI know how, like, what they should provide to the user. Like, what specifically do we want the user to get from this? Okay, not just like a generic response. So what I'm going to do is make a section for systems output or assistance output. All right. So I'm gonna put the list in here that I have. It's gonna be really simple. All right. Okay. We're gonna do a list of Um, let me think. Give me a second. I just want to make sure I'm formatting this right. Yeah. Okay. Give me a second. All right. Assistant must always. When you put that in with the I'm having a brain fart. The asterisks. Provide human with, and then we're gonna do the list. Did I do the list in here like that? Yep. We're gonna do how many taglines should we do? Like 3 to 4? Let's just do 5. 5 taglines. 5 a list of 5 recommended taglines based on context provided. All right. In a short summary of why those taglines are ideal for the user. All right. So that's going to be the output. We're going to keep it simple. And let me see what else I have here. Notes. Okay. All right. I'm going to do another section to give it some more information. I'm going to change this to system. Just system. Hopefully it doesn't mess anything up, but it will make me feel better. Because that's what I did last time. But in this actual prompt, not prompt, in this template, it said assistant. So we'll do system response must be clear. I'm just going to paste these that I wrote down earlier. Be clear your target audience. Let me say the target audience should know what users offering when they read once they read the tagline. All right, it should be memorable. Show in the tagline how the say brand tackles customers problems. Yep. And it should stand out. The tagline should complement the name. Yep. I think we're good here, y'all. So we rolling right along, y'all. So now I'm gonna go to automations. So this actually isn't gonna have like any automations, but if I wanted to, I could do that here. And I'm gonna get into these types of automations more in future videos. But in this case, I'm gonna delete these out because I don't need any additional input from the user. So I'm gonna delete this and delete this. So, and we're gonna change this from document to chat. because we wanted to lead right to the chat where the user could chat with the AI to further refine or maybe get more ideas, more taglines. All right. So that's pretty much done. So now we need to go over to the variables up here. So as you saw on the prompt, so these are the variables. So now we need to categorize them. All right. We need to categorize them because they're all in the list here, right? Under context, but we need to add these variables. Okay. So the first one we're going to do the illusion of like a tagline for this type of brand. So as you can see, when I hit the plus button, it says my variable 1. So this is just a placeholder. So I'll just change it to brand and then drag this underneath. Boom. So I wish I could fast forward this, but I can't, cause it's live. But if you watch it on a replay squad, feel free to fast forward this part. All right. So now we need one for name. All right. What's the name? Drag it here. This is pretty much the last step, y'all. Well, almost. Aside of making it sexy. Okay, what's the core message? So we'll do, what is it? Message. What's the core message? What sets your business apart? So that's going to be differentiators. Right? Yep, differentiator. Rentiator. All right, what sets your business apart? Boom. Plus. Describe your target audience. So that's going to be audience. Are y'all following me? Let me know. If this is helpful so far, y'all, please hit that like button. I would appreciate it. Oh, no doubt. No doubt, Ice Coco. No doubt. Okay. Audience. So I'm going to drag this down. Plus, we'll do describe the brand's personality. So that is going to be tone and style. All right. So we'll do tone. I do have the tone and style in the same one, but that's fine. So that's going to be tone. And then the next one is going to be key benefits. So that is benefits. Benefits. Okay. What problem does your business solve? So that's going to be problems with an S. Make sure it's the same. And look, it shows you up here. Can y'all see this? Where it's like these variables aren't accounted for. So that's what we're doing right now. So this number should go down as we add the rest of these variables to the variables that we create. What emotions are feeling? So that will be emotions. So as I drag it down, you see now it's going down to 5. Specific industry. So this will be keywords. Right. And then next one, do you have an emission? That's going to be mission. Oops. Mission. Boom. This is fun, y'all. What's the desired length? So this is going to be length. And any taglines or slogans. So this should be inspiration. And then this last one will be style. Okay. Boom, that's it. So I don't have any alerts or warnings or errors or anything. So we should be good, y'all. We should be good. We should be good. So now, go over the message rules. So this will be the system introduction. So, you see what I have here. So this is what I have here. So this will be the first message presented to the user when interacting with his app. It's only displayed for display. It is not included as part of your prompt. So it says, hi there, I am the tagline generator. It's my job to help you come up with a tagline or slogan for your personal brand, YouTube channel, or business. All right. Okay. Processing. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with any of this. Model settings. Oh, it has Claude V2. Oh, this is interesting. So, I guess I'll just leave it. I'll leave it because that's what was selected. But as you can see, it has a bunch of different models that you can choose from. But I'll leave it as Claude V2 for now. Metadata. So we're going to change the name to tagline generator. Okay. And I'm going to paste this description in that I wrote earlier. Catch you a memorable tagline for your business. Our app is here to help. Simply answer a few questions about your brand values and target audience, and our powerful algorithm will generate creative and unique tagline suggestions tailored to you, your business. Say goodbye to brainstorming blocks and hello to a standout brand message that captures your essence. Get started today and discover the perfect tagline for your business. I don't know about powerful algorithm. That's weird. Not weird, but I'm just gonna put our AI. Okay. And tags, we'll do tagline generator, slogan generator. Yeah, I'm just leave those. Tagline generator, slogan generator. All right. Icons and media. We'll do that later. In the meantime, let's go ahead. Let's publish this joint and then use it. Oh, once you publish it, let me see. You can select the free plan, pro plan, or business plan. So based on what you wanna use, what features you want to have. So on a pro plan, as you can see, you can read the details here, what's included. So if you want to use a premium model, if you want to embed it on your site, you can select the pro plan. But I'm just going to select this for now. Let me see. Did it work? Select. Okay, so let's open it. I think it takes a little while. I remember this from last time to publish, probably a few seconds. So let's do the preview draft. Open. Also, what we're gonna do is let's disable this landing page, okay? Because they do have this stuff right here, which we don't need. So this will display a custom landing page before taking users into this AI. So you can use this to put your instructions. You could put like a how-to video, a graphic and things like that, photos showing how the AI works. So on my other AI, which I'll show you, I have it really simple, even though I did record a video for it, but I haven't edited it yet. This one right here. So this is like the landing page. So you see, I just added added a photo of it, and I'll create one of these as well for this new AI. So let me come back here and see if it's done yet. Refresh this. Let me disable this. It's saved. Refresh. So there's a pop-up that was being blocked by Apple. Okay, hold on. Okay, publish. All right, let's do this, y'all. Let's test it out. I'm excited. All right, y'all. So what do you need a tagline, slogan for? What should we do? I wonder if I should do myself, my graphic design business, or, my YouTube channel. We could do all three, honestly. Let me think. Give me a second. What should we do? Should we do one of my businesses? Let's just do, one of my businesses. Okay. Business 120 Design Studio. Let's do that. What's the core message or value you want your tagline to convey? That we offer premium graphic design services, core message or value. That's pretty much it for high level speakers, professional speakers. I ain't getting too deep, y'all. We'll keep it simple. Such a business apart from competitors. We strive for excellent service, strive to provide top-notch service and communication. Whereas most other designers fall short in those areas. Briefly describe your target audience or ideal customers. So, a target audience is high level speakers, authors, coaches, and consultants who have worked with tons of graphic designers in the past, but have been left unsatisfied or dissatisfied. Either they feel like they didn't get what they paid for, or they were just disappointed with the lack of communication. They're looking for premium services that are delivered on time. Brand's personality or tone. Let's do friendly. I like friendly. Confident. I'll put them on two different lines. I don't think it matters. Like, what are the key benefits or features of your products or services? Hey, and y'all can try this out too. I'm gonna drop this in the chat. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't just me. You know what? I'm a wait. I'm a wait. I'm a wait. I will wait. All right. What are the key benefits? I'm definitely gonna put it in there after we're done though. What are key benefits or features of your products and services? Benefits or features? I'm probably gonna sound redundant. This is a premium graphic design and web design services. That's literally what they are. I don't know about the benefits. Let me see. High quality designs for conferences. High quality. Let's do print ready book covers. Ready for the New York Times bestseller list. I'm just having fun. Problem is business solve for customers. We provide this is gonna be the same thing. Graphic design services to professionals who are fed up. They all have trauma. How do I say that? They all trauma. When they come to me, they're traumatized from other designers. That's why I'm on a mission to help designers, because designers make there's like the same mistakes over and over. And I used to be that designer. So we provide graphic design services to professionals who are fed up from working with service providers who didn't meet their expectations, failed to meet their expectations. Again, we provide designs on time, and we pride ourselves on communication. That's the number one key, communication, which is the feeling you want the tagline to evoke. happiness. I'm just leave it like that. Energy carriers like incorporate. Branding, graphic design. Let's do design. Any mission and station. No. I'm going to do more short and snappy. Headline slogans for others you find inspiring. Let's just find some and paste them in there. Cool taglines. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is cool. I'm gonna use this one. Diamond is forever. Dang, where we at? Find some more. I like all states. Oh, I like apples too. Think different. Just do it. Well, cause why not? Cause why not? Taglines more formal and serious or witty and playful? Definitely more witty and playful, but let's leave it at a 4. Okay. All right. You know what? I need to add an additional instruction here to say type "let's go" to get your prompt or whatever. They can type anything. I'm gonna just type "let's go," so I need to update that. So let's see what it comes up with. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So as I instructed my AI to do, it gave me the 5 taglines, and it also gave me a brief summary of why it thinks the tagline could work for me. So premium designs delivered on time, the design studio for discerning professionals, graphic design that meets high standards, custom designs that take you to the top, premium design for peak performance. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So what I would do, look, since I have the chat enabled, I can further refine these or ask for 5 more. Let's see. Can you give me 5 more? Design meets dedication, pinnacle of graphic design, design edge you need to succeed, sophisticated design for accomplished professionals, design studio, the pros trust. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, that one speaks to me right here because that's a fact. That is a fact. I'm loving it. I'm going to say, can you make them more playful? Let's see what happens. More playful or less formal. Let's see what it says. Killer designs for awesome pros. Rockstar design for badass clients. Crazy good designs for real go-getters. I like that too. Crazy good designs for real go-getters. The G's, the alliteration, I'm digging it. Epic designs for big-time players. Slick designs for high-level peeps. I'm digging it. And I'm excited about using this for my graphic design coaching business. And then the YouTube channel. It's limitless. The possibilities are limitless. But what do y'all think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? We just built an entire AI in less than an hour, y'all, and it's already working. It's already working. And the key is, just as a reminder, the key is the personalization, y'all. The personalization. Okay. And your user, they can go back and adjust these. They can go back and change their answers. You know, they can go back and change their answers. They can adjust and refine. That's the beauty of it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think or if you have any questions. But as you can see, I just built this entire AI in less than an hour with no code. Starting from a template. Did do some prep beforehand. But feel free to I'm gonna drop this link in the chat. Head on over there and you can use this as a template to start your own. So let me show you what I mean. For example, you will come up here, go to my AI, find my AI, come up here and then hit this remix button right here. So if you do that, it's essentially going to create a duplicate of it. Okay, it's going to create a duplicate of the AI. Okay, so let me go back here. Yeah, this is dope, y'all. This is dope. I actually need to use this for one of my clients right after this, because she asked me the other day, and I was like, cool. Of course, in my mind, I'm like, I'm gonna build an AI a tagline generator, but I literally need to use this now. I'm digging it. So you can use this for your YouTube channel, your business, your website, or whatever, a one-liner, because this can go right at the top of your website. You know, mission statement, impact statement, whatever. Slogan, tagline. It's all interchangeable, y'all. But yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Yeah, let me know what you think. If this was helpful, please hit that like button, y'all, and head over to youai.ai using the link in the description and find some AIs. Let's look at the library here. So you have featured ones, and you see all the different categories. You got business, decision making. I sent my sister a resume helper, like a cover letter helper, the other day. It's crazy. My sister and I, we are 15 years apart. So she's just getting started in life as an adult, trying to get a job. She actually did end up getting a government job since she used one of these AIs for her cover letter, even though it's like a long, like year-long process to go through the background check and all of the stuff they have to do. So she can get her security clearances and all of that. But she's 20 years old, y'all. So it's cool to see, you know, and I felt like a cool big brother when I sent her this AI. I ain't even built it. I don't know who built it, but I saw it was on here and I sent it to her. I actually searched for it. Let's see if I can find the one I sent her. Resume. It was like a cover letter one, I think. Cover letter. It was one of these. I don't remember which one specifically. But yeah, it's a bunch of different templates on here, y'all. Different AIs as well. Cover letter generator. This might have been it right here. I think this was it. So they tailor the cover letter based on the position. Yep. And each AI, you're able to try it for free. Even the ones that are paid, you're able to try it for free. So you can either use an AI, or then you can go over to MindStudio and build your AI, create your AI. And they have tons of tutorials here. And if you don't see something up here, if you click video tutorials, it'll take you to the YouTube channel, youai YouTube channel. Then they have different playlists with a bunch of different beautifully recorded and created tutorials. So yeah. Yeah, hit that like button, y'all, before y'all get out of here. I would greatly appreciate it. If this was helpful, let me know. And then come back in the comments and let me know what you decided to build. All right. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you have a phenomenal rest of your week. And I'll see y'all again next week. It won't be live, though. It'll be pre-recorded, but I'll see y'all next week. Peace.